Igbo is an Igbo land, which is true. My wife was there as an Igbo there. It was actually because of
Hello, Brother Richard.
He was the founder of Igbo community there, Igbo Kingdom. He became chairman of the Ojukwu community. He brought Igbo people there, just wanted to honor him with the title of President Igbo. So it doesn't mean that whenever you have a President Igbo, the same thing happened in Calabar too. Some people will say, why would there be an Igbo king in Calabar? But it's not like that. So it's a huge DNA too, because Nigerian media, they will not report exactly how it happened. Imagine Sahara reporters saying that the Ghanaians are protesting against the installation, as if the Jude became he was a crown king recently. I knew when they started battling this Igbo title. I was still living in Abuja. I was still in. I came out from secondary school when it was televised, the crisis among the Igbo people in Ghana. He was formally dragging that seat with and somebody from Anambra State. He's from my side. From Amigo. So at the end of it, he defeated the person from Anambra State, and he became the SND. It has been years. It has been years. So I don't know why they're bringing the issue now as if this man is somebody that even the president of Ghana respects. He visited the president, he even asked. In fact, the problem, what I'm saying here is that I'm saying envy.
Hello, Brother Richards.
Yeah.
Please, there is something you said earlier on. You said that it was Dim Chukwemeka Ojukwu that started the SND Igbo title. Just expound on that more, please. I want to learn something.
Ojukwu took the title of SND Igbo.
Okay.
Remember?
Okay.
He used to wear crown. So that was when SND Igbo. Even SND also said it in his interview. I can even put it to you.
Okay.
He also said it that he started from Ojukwu.
Okay.
And the Ojukwu's son. And I'm very close to Ojukwu's son, which is late. He's late now.
Okay.
Debe told me he was the one that crowned as a Jude in unity. As is in Igbo in Ghana, he was there. And then so, even as a Jude told me, because I do visit him wherever I come to Nigeria, every time. They also supported him. But there. So this thing has been long because I don't know why. So when I was reading the report yesterday, that Ghanaians are protesting against him, he was installed newly. It has been there. Ghanaian leaders, the president, they respect him. So just like I was saying that what I'm saying here is envy, because he is somebody that the way they receive him, they regard him, is even equivalent to the president. Because if you see this man I'm talking to you, he has helped a lot of Ghanaians. He owns schools, he owns you, so he does something, money is something to him. So I'm just saying that some few presidents are just a kind of envying him, And if he's not taking, some of our people's hand might be there. So that is just it. Because I don't see why something that has been there for years,
Like how many years has it been in that title, in that position? Like how many years?
It's more than 10 years. It's more than 10 years.
More than 10 years, more than a decade. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
The way I see it, because of the role.